When it comes to e-commerce with WordPress, we have a number of different options. First, we have what I would call your traditional e-commerce plugins that give you options like a way to manage your e-commerce content from within WordPress, an on-site cart and checkout process, as well as some templating abilities for customizing the theme. In this category are plugins like WP Ecommerce, WooCommerce, JigoShop, Shop, iThemes Exchange, MarketPress, and a number of others. There are a few differences between each of these in terms of fullness of feature set, ease of customization, number of available extensions, and community or company support. If you're interested in learning more about a specific one of these or how they compare to each other, you could visit the links in the video notes or try searching for the name of the plugin you're interested in plus the word reviews. For example, MarketPress reviews. You could also try searching for articles that compare one versus another, like WooCommerce versus WP Ecommerce. Since a lot of this becomes technical and opinionated really quickly, I'll leave the deeper comparison of the differences between them for you to research on your own, and we can move on to another type of plugin we see working with WordPress and e-commerce. Another option are hosted e-commerce plugins. In this case, you work with a third-party service that lets you host and manage your content on a different site from yours, but embed your products and store on your WordPress site. A good example of this is Cart66, a plugin where you manage your content on their site, but add shortcodes for each product to your WordPress site to have the Add to Cart button. The checkout process for this type of option is not actually done on your site either, although the experience may feel like it. In this way, Cart66 allows you to not have to take some of the security steps for your site that you would with some of the previous options. We have another type of option that will do something as simple as integrate a site with a PayPal cart, where you have products you add on your site as post pages or custom post types, but then the entire cart and checkout process is actually using PayPal's branded cart. This simple approach works well when something like PayPal is acceptable and you don't need a polished, integrated e-commerce experience. I want to mention one more e-commerce plugin, Easy Digital Downloads, a plugin that deals primarily with running e-commerce sites selling digital goods. It handles some of the complex problems you run into with running these type of sites. For example, how do you handle protected downloaded links to premium content? You could see from these various types of e-commerce plugins, traditional, hosted, simple, digital, that a number of different options exist for creating e-commerce sites with WordPress. What we're going to do in the next video is break down some of the criteria you might have when looking into an e-commerce plugin and discuss why we're using WooCommerce specifically for this project.